Oh yeah, this is a better story, isn't it? Here we are, we arrive. Wow. สวัสดีครับ
หนูก็นึกว่ามันเป็นหมู่บ้านเดียวหนูก็เลยมามันอ้อมไปอ้อมมา
Here we are.
ไปทำกันหรือว่าตรงไหน
Like a mix really of Thai style and
ออกได้หมดเอาแต่กำแพงไม่ติดกันนะไม่ติด
quite nice. Looks alright from the outside. Okay, little Japanese type of style house. Quite nice.
เดือนเท่าไหร่นะเดือนละ15,000
You get a big porch and stuff, don't you? How much, love?
15,000
Okay, it's not too bad, is it?
4 ห้องนอนนะคะทีเบสเลยเดี๋ยวไป
Do you want me to take my shoes off?
เขาถ่ายวิดีโอได้เลยนะคะโอเคอย่า อันนี้ห้องนอนใหญ่เหรอคะ This man big one
A little bedroom, little bathroom. Okay, quite big like, isn't it? Spacious. What is it, 3 bedrooms, yeah?
Yeah, she said, see two now, go look another one. This going to the kitchen.
Ah, right.
15,000.
Yeah, it's not bad at all, is it?
I don't think that's the two yet.
No, they won't have no swimming
มี
pool,
สระ
will
ว่าย
they?
น้ำไหมคะที่นี่อ๋อ this 3 bedroom
So that's the 3rd bedroom, is it? Yeah.
look nice
Yeah, well, air conditioning looks quite new, doesn't it?
same like the one in GC condo on the side but this have 3 bedroom you know
เดี๋ยวก็ในโคเวฟเรามันเก่าแล้วออกไปไงไม่ได้มาใส่
อ๋อค่ะ
โคเวฟก็มีให้แก๊สก็มีให้แก๊สก็ออกไป
อ๋อ
ไม่เอาไว้พวกเครื่องไฟฟ้า
Got your kitchen, sort of built into the front room. Got an outside porch bit. Quite handy like, isn't it? Just for storage and stuff.
that bedroom
Could even, oh, that's the door to a bedroom, is it? Yeah.
but they have cannot get in here yeah?
No.
They have 2 door lock outside you know see like this that they have like
Oh yeah.
But lock so nobody can get in. Because I think about the bedroom. Yeah, this side you see.
ถามเขาใหม่ใส่ถามเขาใหม่แอร์อยู่ตรงไหน
อ๋อเดี๋ยวแอร์เข้าเลย
ปั๊มก็ใหม่หมดออกไปหมดอะไรป๊าทำไว้
อ๋อ You want to walk outside because they close it now.
Yeah, it's okay.
สวยใช่ไหมคะเครื่องซักผ้าเขาไว้ข้างในปกติก็อยู่ข้างนอกเหรอคะ
แล้วแต่
อ๋อ
แล้วแต่เอาไว้ข้างนอกก็ได้ข้างนอกก็มีน้ำให้ไม่เราเกะกะแล้วก็ไปข้างนอก
แต่ข้างนอกมันไม่มีที่ทิ้งน้ำป่ะ
มีนี่ที่ไหน
Sorry, Cab.
นี่ไงเนี่ยป้าทำไว้
อ๋อ
ป้าไปทำข้างนอกข้างใน เดี๋ยว
บ้านหนูเนี่ยมีบอกในแฟนหนูชอบเพราะว่ามีพวกหนูไม่ดื่มเป็นเอาร่างกาย
Turn this light up. 15,000. Too bad for a 3 bedroom house.
อยากจะย้ายที่อยู่ก็เขาก็จะเป็นบ้านหมามีไหมคะ หมายถึงหมา
หมามีแต่ว่ามันไม่นั่นนะ
แต่นี่ไม่มีตรงนี้ไม่มี
หนูไปดูหมู่บ้านหนึ่งมันมีหมาแบบหมาจรข้างนอกในหมู่บ้านมันมาไล่กันไล่หอน
ที่นี่มันมีหมาอะไร
He look like police เป็นตำรวจหรือเปล่าอ๋อสิ yeah he police
Ah, right, very good.
เขาบอกว่าส่ง
พา
ตำร
ต่อ
วจ
มีส่งวีซ่าแล้วก็พาไปต่อ
อ๋อ
รับรอง
Police
ที่อยู่ให้
police owner
ต่อวีซ่า
Yeah.
นี่นะคำเมน
แกเป็นอาจารย์สอนตำรวจ
อ๋อ
So what is it? Is it free 2 months up front and then 1 month
เท่าไหร่คะถ้าย้ายเขาอยู่
จ่าย45,000เข้าอยู่ได้เลยไปส่ง
shower?
Yeah same like
Yeah.
visit 1 month at one I think that is a row
45.
อยู่ได้เลย เราดูมีอะไรเสียอะไรซ่อมบอกเราดูแล
Mm.
ใช่ใช้งานไหมครับ
ใช้งาน
อ๋อ this have camera too
Yeah.
ใช่กูเขาจะ
Yeah, it's good.
ใช้งานตรงอื่นอยู่ตอนที่นั่นแหละบางทีก็ถ้าไม่นั่นเราก็ออกให้
Let's have a little quick walk around the area.
ขอเดินในดูรอบหมู่บ้านหน่อยนะคะเดินไป
เดินไปทางโน้น
อันนี้มีฝรั่งหมดเลย
อ๋อต่างชาติ
ไอ้ร้านนี้ก็ไม่มีคนอยู่ร้านนี้ก็ไม่มีคนอยู่ร้านนี้ไม่มีคนอยู่
Yeah, I quite like the area. I don't mind it, to be honest with you. Obviously this soy is a lot better than the other soy. There's one next door for rent as well. So it just shows you, doesn't it? 15,000. What are we on there? That's about 400 quid, isn't it? 400 quid a month. Is it? Because it might be a bit less. It's quite interesting. It's got like a balcony next door to it.
อ๋อหลานอยู่ที่นู่นโตที่นู่น
ร้านนั้นเป็นฝรั่งเลยแหละ
อ๋อเป็นลูกครึ่งอ๋อโอเคขอบคุณเดี๋ยวหนูขอเดินอีกแป๊บนึงนะ
Cap and cab.
อ๋อที่ขอแลนด์ very hot
Yeah, you can feel the sun coming down, can't you? It's quite nice. I quite like the area. It's especially this soy compared to the other one. It's quite open, isn't it, and stuff. Did you say it's quite safe around here?
yeah he said mostly ฝรั่ง live here like long time
He looks like the chief of police or something, doesn't he?
Huh?
He looks like the chief of police,
what's he mean
like in charge. Like been in the police a long time. You can tell
yeah
he's
he like teaching police now that's what she said
teaching.
yeah like a new
Ah, right, yeah. That's what I thought. I thought he'd do like a
Because
chief
he-
of police or something. That's what they call them in England.
he like this you know own
Yeah, yeah.
I can see you know easy to see because police they like to wear the pants and the hair,
Yeah.
hair different I see one dog over there I'm not going there
Well, we have to go past it at some point because this will be our walking path, won't it? If we want to get the steps in.
I think nobody
Houses are okay, like, aren't they?
have many empty house here
Hmm.
why
Where's? Excuse me.
I don't want to walk there
Yeah, no, but we need to check out just to see what other dogs are there. Let me see the dogs. Hello, hello. God, quite a few dogs up this end. Lordy, Nora. don't think we'll be having our little walk past here every day. Yeah, I think the locals like the guard dogs, don't they? It's a shame really, because I can't be doing listening to that noise all the time, man. Fucking going for a walk. Okay, calm down. Them dogs are a bit annoying, love. At least they're good guard dogs, I suppose. Nobody be walking past there without somebody knowing. Basketball court there. It's quite good, isn't it? Like I say, it's just a nice little quiet neighbourhood, isn't it? I'm not going to get any bother up here. Like, house is okay, you know. It's just very Thai standard, isn't it? Just like I say, if you wanted a quiet life, then you could quite easily have it. 2 months up front, 1 month, 2 months deposit, 1 month rent in advance. It's 45,000 to move in. So you're looking about 1,200 quid to move in or something.
We have to pay like 10 more extra to move things from there too.
Yeah, obviously, yeah. Yeah, okay, well, tell them we'll have a think. Obviously, we've got another house to look at. Tell them that. I do quite like the look of the houses. They're quite nice, like Chinese style, aren't they? You know. Well, I'll have to show you on a video. Okay, tell them thank you very much and.
ขอบคุณนะคะ เดี๋ยวหนูคิดดูก่อนนะยังไงหนูติดต่อกลับมานะคะ เดี๋ยวปรึกษาแฟนดู
Thank you very much. Thank you.
ค่ะ
Thank you. Can
เขาชอบอยู่ มันก็ดูเงียบดีนะ ชอบอยู่แบบว่าเงียบๆค่ะ It's nice. Quiet. We have her number, I mean.
you live?
I have to go there.
Oh, look, for sale and rent. That one's for sale as well. Scan code for more. Got a pool there as well, they. Oh yeah, they haven't there. Well, we should have to get the 2-bedroom house, swimming pool, horse event, house for sale, 109 square meters.
I think the same amount there, yeah. The pool. All before the V cafe and restaurant.
Ah, right.
Where are we coming from? Going there, yeah. I don't think allowed to walk around here, you know.
Yeah, them dogs, like they said, are very. Looks like there's a few homeless
I don't
living.
think we lie around here.
Yeah, I don't mind it. I don't actually live around here. I don't mind the area.
Little bit similar the one we bought in the CC, you know.
Yeah.
No, of the CC, you know.
Yeah, I don't
But
mind
it's
it.
cheaper. And
Yeah, 15,000 for a 3-bedroom. It's not bad, is it?
a little bit old house, you know.
Yeah, it's a bit older style, and the electrics look a bit older as well. I don't know if they're completely safe or not. It looks like some of the electric wiring has been just messed around with, you know. But you're straight out onto a 7-Eleven, aren't you? You walk straight out. You've got your 7-Eleven out there. It's just there basically. And then you've got a few little stalls and stuff, haven't you? What's this, like Thai food stalls and stuff? Quite a local sort of thing. Hairdressers there. Yeah, car rental. Straight out into like a little village area. It would suit a lot of people, like this type of living. You know what I mean? You know, really out of the way. Not out of the way, but you know, you're just sunken in, hidden in with the ties. Do you know what I mean? Like the bit of village and a bit of, yeah, like a village sort of lifestyle, but like a luxury village lifestyle. A few little bars as well around here. Quite interesting. Massage shop and lots of little food places. If you didn't want to do, you don't have to go very far. You could just walk, you could be quite happy in this little area. Everything you need. Should have bought a t-shirt. Out of the sun. Sun's coming down a bit today, isn't it? Right, well we'll leave it at that. We'll go to the gym and then we'll have a look at another house later maybe. Okay? God bless.